Hello and welcome back to another Build Your Own R2-D2 episode. So we start off with issue 57. And looking at the picture here, there's some more parts to do with the foot. So yeah, should we jump straight to the back where everything is? Oh, it looks like we've got another dome piece to stick on as well. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, so we're doing the dome piece first, which I have got here. So, in the last episode I said I wasn't happy with how the tape was holding, and literally on this one, don't know if you can see, I've accidentally scratched the paint. Where I was trying to see if it stuck in, it just pushed straight through and it's got scratched somehow. So, yeah. Someone has said though, when the frame goes in, that should hold them, but I might secure them with a little bit of glue. We shall see. If the frame holds it all in, then that's fine, which it looks like it should do, because this is what goes inside, so that should hold everything in place. But I might put like a tiny little drop of glue in places just to make it extra secure. But anyway, we need this one. And let's have a look. So the parts are in here. Okie dokie. So it looks like, so we're carrying on, get to see that's falling out again. So we're carrying on going round this way. So we need to stick it on here. So the side has the two little holes above it. That's where we need to be. Okay. Oh, we have a little sensor here. Pop you to one side for the moment. Right, let's have some fun with these. So, how did I stick it on last time? I think I stuck it straight onto here. What I might try and do is actually stick it on here first and do it the other way. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'll say put it in here. So just find the side that has two holes above it, and then we just need to place that inside. Okay. Wow, this is wobbling about that. That might make it easier. And it's just a matter of getting it to fit in place. Here we go. There we go, it's stuck in place. Okay, I am going to is that all nice and secure? I think it's as secure as I'm going to get it. Let me just have a look. Yep, that's fine, so that's all on there. I'm going to pop him back on here, just to help keep everything in place. Pop you to one side. What's the next bit that we need to do? Now we've done that. Okay, so we're going to be fitting the left foot casing. That'll be this. So we need... let's get the wrap off of this one. Then I do believe we need the sensor and we need some screws. Okay, so here is the leg that we need, with all the wires hanging out. Okay. And we need 5 6mm self-tapping screws. Now let's get the screwdriver out. A trusty magnetic dish. Okay, 6mm. How many do we need? 5. Let's double check that this is 6mm. It is. Okay, so we need 6 of these screws. Is it screw? No, sorry, 5 6mm screws. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, oh. Wow, these are not easy to get out of here. Right. There we go. So we've got 2 there, 4, 5. Okay, so we have our 5 screws. So we need this piece first, and we turn this over, and you'll see here, this is where this fits. So you just need to line up the hole that's in the board with this piece here, because that's where the screw is going to go through, I do believe. Okay, so let's line it up nicely. Also, you need to make sure that this plug is sticking out that way, because it's going to be plugged in too. So that literally would sit in here like that, and I just need to put the screw in. Okay, so that's screwed in there. Now we need to take this plug here and then plug that in up here. And again, as with everything else, there is only one way it will plug in. I'll get this on camera. This thing's getting so big now. Okay. There we go. Make sure that's plugged in properly. There we go. And that's that plugged in. Right, so we need this piece to put it on, but what we also need is this little piece. So that needs to slot in right here. I nearly forgot about it. Now, there's only one way it will go in. If I... There we go. So that literally just slides in there, so it should be flush. And then... do this one here. Again, this will only go on one way. And then I literally just need to, without dropping my screwdriver, pop the screws in these 4 holes. And I shall do that now. Okay, so that's that all screwed in, and yeah, that is issue 57 now complete. Okay, so we've got issue 58 here. So this looks like the bottom of the foot, and we've got another plate to fit on the dome. So let's go straight to the back. Okay, yep, so fit in the dome plate, and then fit in the left foot base. So here is the dome plate. So we're not going to be doing this piece, but we've got this long section here we're going to do. So let's get the parts out. It looks like we've got some cables for the leg, which I assume we'll be putting into the leg in another issue. So let's just get this sorted. Don't need those bits. So, hold on. Okay, looks like, even though it shows here it's supposed to be 2 strips, it didn't. So I've got some brush on super glue which I'm going to use. Yeah, that's a bit annoying that that's happened. Okay, but never mind, we shall crack on. So as I said, you've got this one here we've just done, leave the circle, and it's this long piece here, that's where that's going to go. Right, so I think I'm going to brush the glue on here all around the edge, and pop that on. Okay, so I've got the glue on, so let's carefully place this inside. There we go. Line this up, and then that's it. I just need to hold it in place until the glue sets. Right, okay, so that's that piece on there. So I've had to glue it. There's a little bit of glue that's gone around the edge, so I'm going to clean it off with some isopropyl alcohol. I've got rid of some of it, but I want to let that well, I can't let that dry because I need to get this glue off as soon as possible, so I'll do that in a moment. Right, whilst that's sitting over there, so we have the bottom plate or foot base for the left foot. So looking at this, it is just a simple fact of popping this onto here, but you'll see here there's two little holes this side. That's for the little circuit board that we screwed in here. So you just need to literally make sure everything lines up. And like that. What screws do we need? Oh, some more 6mm screws. Okay, how many do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's get my trusty dish out. So there's 2 here. 2, 5, 6. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to screw this together. Okay, so that is the base all screwed on, and yeah, that is issue 58 now complete. Yeah, was a lot to those, but it's a bit annoying that I had to glue this piece on. But hey, I think I might do that with all of them. Just sit there and just glue them all on. We'll see. Anyway, that's it for this episode of Build Your Own R2-D2. As always, please like, share and subscribe. And until the next video, may the Force be with you.
The power of the dark side.